are multiple locking point top-hung window system, and this is the handle. When you rotate handle for 90 degrees and push forward, the window is open, and you can see on the frame, each side has one friction stay and one peg stay. Okay, let's take a look on the sash part. Here is a main transmission rod connected with handle, and then this is an aluminum transmission rod connected with a corner device which has a locking point on it, and this is a side transmission rod. And this is an extra middle locking point, which can make this large window has better seal performance.